Hi everyone, it's Steph here from Family Health and Happiness, and today I thought I would share with you a completed zone in my house just because I have got a lot of renovation videos possibly coming up in the future, and I've shared a few before with you guys. So I thought I'd just show you a completed zone in my house. I will be telling you where some of the products come from if I can remember, and any of the pricing, and I'll also be sharing with you my DIYs. So if you do like any of the DIYs that I have done, please leave a comment below, and if we do have enough response, I might actually repeat some of these DIYs. So let's go and have a look. So everyone, welcome to my little girl's room. I created this and hoping this would be her happy place and her sanctuary, and it's sort of like a little princess room but without Elsa and Anna. Yes, she does love Elsa and Anna, by the way, but I just feel those sorts of themes to me is something that she'll grow out quite quickly, and I want something that she can grow into and love for years to come. So the things that aren't finished is the door. We won't even look at the door. I do have a new door coming on. So these stars here, they're just stickers and they came from eBay. I'm sorry, I won't be giving links because it was so long ago when I bought them. This here star is from Etsy & Co. This is believe it or not, a really old Kmart mirror that I had that just matched the wall colour. This is from the Rebecca Judd range from Adairs, which is absolutely beautiful. And then I have this frame. This one here was a gift card actually that I got from When and Where, and then it's actually a frame from the Reject Shop. The racks that it's sitting on is an IKEA spice rack. I think they're like $3 or $4, and I just painted them. And then I turned one the other way, which is holding her dresses. Then I have obviously another one there. Moving to the corner of the room, I bought this chair from Buy Swap and Sell. I think I paid $80 for it. I won't be able to paint it at the moment because it's winter and it's just too cold to paint. This one here was from, it's so bad lighting in here, I'm so sorry. This one here is from Munchkin and Bear, that's it. And the frame was just from the Reject Shop. These are IKEA curtains. I'm not very happy with them because they're so long. I didn't realise that was so long. This is a wreath that I made, and this one was a $3 wreath from the op shop that I decorated. And then coming down, these letters are also again from eBay. Again, I won't be linking it because it was bought so long ago I wouldn't even know where I bought it from. The bunny is from Adairs again, from the Rebecca Judd range. Coming back here, the canopy is also from Adairs. It is one of the vintage linen ones, and I created the hearts that are up here. I made those. I'll give you a close-up of those. They're really cute. So yeah, I just sewed those to the top just to make it a bit more unique. And then the bedding is also, I'll give another close-up. That's also a Rebecca Judd range from Adairs. I got the cushion, I believe was from When and Where. It's absolutely stunning. The bed was a Buy Swap and Sell, $50, bargain. Moving over to here, this is a Dulux wall colour. It's a shimmer paint, and we've just done the crisscross effect. I can't remember the colour, it's some sort of bronze. And then these flowers are from Ginger Monkey. I did wait for a sale because I didn't want to pay $180, but they are stunning, they're worth every cent. And then the rug on the floor is from the op shop. It was $2, I believe. It's just a big doily. This table here, I'll give you another close-up. That's another DIY I did. This is actually an IKEA stool that I done up and made into a side table for my daughter. And then the chair is another op shop buy. I believe that was $3 also. And then I've got, I think it's Amy Rose, I think that's the brand, and you can buy these online so many places. And this one is Nanahachi. So if you just look up those brands, or you'll be able to see them easily, they're online if you're interested. So basically the big ticket items really was this wallflowers here. The bedding would be the big ticket item, and then the little bunny that's there, that was quite expensive. I actually got him a lot cheaper from the chemist than I do see them online. So if you do shop around, you might find them a bit cheaper. But I'll just do a quick walk back so you can see what it looks like together. And then on this wall, the lighting is just shocking. I'm so sorry. It's hard to get a sunny day at the moment because it's just winter here, and if you know where I live, you know it's just always gloomy. And yeah, and this is this side of the room, and you can see from back here, you can see how bright that chair is, and you can see why I want to paint it. It needs to be painted. I also have a dream catcher. I'll just go grab it. I also did make this dream catcher as well for her room. The lighting was just shocking, so if I was trying to put it back. I'll try and get it to stay still, but you'll see it's absolutely, if I can get the lighting right, it's beautiful when you see it up. But anyway, I also made that for her room. It's usually in the corner there, but you can see the lighting's just terrible on that side of the room for some reason. And yeah, she's got the chandelier up there as well. Thank you for watching. I wish the lighting was better to give you a better view of this room. But anyway, it is what it is. So thank you for watching. I hope you're all having a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.